Hey, sweetie, let's start to save the cute puppies. Alright, choose a puppy you want to help. Yummy! Gosh, help her! Roar to threaten those bad dogs away. The puppy has got out of danger. Well done, Doctor. Thank you, Doctor. The puppies are doing very well with your help. Doctor, the puppy seems injured. Can you cure the puppy, please? You found the affected part. Let's fix it now. Yes, an affected part has been fixed. Yes, an affected part has been fixed. Let's give the puppy a shower. First, you should put some body wash on the puppy. Then, please rinse the foam away with the water. Alright, finally your puppy is clean. The puppy seems hungry. Well, let's feed the puppy something good. Look, the puppy really enjoys the food. You can play with the puppy here. The puppy really likes you. You can drag the decorations onto the puppy. Wonderful! The puppy seems satisfied with this suit. Come on, take a picture of your puppy outside. Click the cap. Please preserve this photo. Thank you, Doctor. The puppies are doing very well with your help. Alright, choose a puppy you want to help. Cupid. Huh? What's that? Let's open it. Doctor, the puppy seems injured. Can you cure the puppy, please? Good job! Yes, an affected part has been fixed. You found the the affected part. Let's fix it now. Yes, an affected part has been fixed. One less affected part left. Please find it out. Hey, look! The puppy has recovered! Amazing! Thank you, Doctor. The puppies are doing very well with your help.